In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable tracking on the Playful Rewards app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically what we need to do is install these apps inside the application. If you install any of these apps or games outside of it, you're not going to be rewarded for it. So make sure to go ahead and install inside the application. Another thing we can do is come back and click onto the application. I'm on an Android, so I want to click onto I Get It App Info. So basically, if you're on iOS, just try and find your permissions. So inside permissions, we want to make sure that location is turned on. So go ahead and enable location. If you've got storage, go ahead and select storage as well. You don't need to worry about camera, contacts, mic, or notification. Now the next thing we need to go ahead and enable is get into settings and then do a search and type in usage data access. Then from here, click onto usage data access and then find Playful Rewards. So you can do a search or just scroll down. Here it is here, and make sure to enable this. This permission lets the app track your progress in other games you install through it. So changing those few settings, you're going to go ahead and enable tracking on the Playful Rewards application.